Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser, and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly. Don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hey my little friends, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Are you ready with your pencils, erasers, crayons and files? Then come to the study world. Today we are going to do an activity. Open your English file. Open page number 4141. Which page we are going to do? 4141. It's in coloring time. So we are going to color the picture. Now can you tell me which picture is this? Yes, it's a goat. And goat starts with G. G for goat. G says G. G as in goat. G as in goat. So we are going to color the goat. Now take out your crayons. I will choose brown color. And you can choose any color of your choice. You can choose brown color, black color. You can color black and white, the combination of black and white. I'm going to color it brown. Now, get ready. Start coloring with me. And color it properly. Don't go out of the boundary lines. We should do the coloring in circle. The color should not go out of these lines. Do it properly. Your work should look neat and tidy. The white base should not be visible. We have to cover all the white base. Now I have completed my coloring. You have to complete your coloring fast. Do it fast, kiddos. Do it properly. Do it neatly. Have you all done? Well done, kiddos. Now can you see some lines over here? In these lines, we are going to practice the letters from A to F. What we are going to write? The letters from A to F. We are going to write lowercase letters. They are also known as small letters. First, I will write and you will write after me. First of all, I am going to write small a. A says A. A says A. A as in apple. A as in apple. Now it's your chance to write A. Have you done? Now can you tell me what comes after A? Correct. It's B. B says B. B says B. B as in ball. B as in ball. Now it's your chance to write B. Have you done? Great job, kiddos. Tell me what comes after B. Yes, it's C. It's C. C says K. C says K. C as in cat. C as in cat. Now it's your time to write C. Write it properly. Don't go beyond the lines. Be careful about the lines. Done? Now what comes after C? Yes, it's D. Up to down, standing line, stop on the base line, come back again till middle line and make a curve. D. D says D. D says D. D as in dog. D as in dog. It's your chance. The ball is in your court. Write it properly. Done? Now what comes after D? Yes, it's E. Put your pencil between the middle line and the base line. Draw a sleeping line. Come back up till middle line. Make a curve till base line. E. It's your turn. E says ah. E says ah. E as in elephant. E as in elephant. Completed? Now what comes after E? It's F. F says F says F as in fish. Now it's your turn to write F. Have you done? With this, we have completed our whole page. Students, keep learning. Hey my little friends, now proceed to page number 42. Which page number we are going to do? Page number 42. On this page, we are going to write G. Lowercase g. What we are going to write? G. First of all, watch me carefully. How I am going to tell you the formation of lowercase g. We will start it from the middle line, make a curve till base line. Go up to down, standing line, touch the bottom line and move towards your left and make a slight curve. G. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. G as in girl. This is the picture of girl. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. You have to speak with me. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. G as in girl. Now, hold your pencils properly. You have to write dark. And you can use your erasers if you have done wrong. Now, first of all, I will write and you will write after me. And you have to speak with ma'am. Okay? Now, put your pencil on the middle line. Make a half curve. Go up till middle line, up to down, standing line, turn towards your left and slightly make a curve. G. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. G as in girl. Now it's your chance to write. Write it properly, kiddos. Done? Again, the ball is in my court, so I am going to write. Put your pencil on the middle line. Make a curve till baseline. Go up to down, standing line till bottom line and turn towards your left and make a slight curve. G. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. Now it's your chance. Write it properly. Write it nicely. Done? Well done, students. Again, it's my turn. I will start it from the middle line. Make a curve till baseline. Go up to down, standing line till bottom line. Move towards your left and make a slight curve. G. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. Now it's your chance. Write it properly. Here, good job. Again it's my turn. I will write without dots. Put the pencil on the middle line. Make a curve till baseline. Go up to down, standing line till bottom line. Turn towards your right and make a slight curve. G. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. With this, I have completed my first row. Now it's your turn to complete your first row. Have you done, kiddos? Well done, students. Now again, I am going to write. Put your pencil on the middle line. Make a half curve till baseline. Go up to down, standing line. Move towards your left. G. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. G as in girl. Now it's your chance to write G. Write it properly. Write it nicely. If you have done wrong, then you can use your erasers. Done? Again, I am going to write. Put your pencil on the middle line. Make a half curve till baseline. Go up to down, standing line. Move towards your left and make a slight turn. G. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. G as in girl. With this, I have completed my second row. Now it's your turn to write G. G says G. G says G. G as in girl. G as in girl. Write it nicely, bacho. Write it properly. Have you all done? Very good, students. Now these two last lines are your homework. These two lines you have to do in your homework. After completing this, you can click the photograph and send it on the WhatsApp. Keep learning, students. Very good. Clap for yourself.